Graying out our outfits, our wardrobe this today and Wardrobe Wednesday. So if you missed our previous series or our previous episodes of Wardrobe Wednesday, we have based our wardrobes in black, we have done navy blue, and we have done brown. And now we are doing gray, and we are hoping in the spring that we will be able to do white.
I wear a lot of gray.
You do? And is
Yes,
that because since your hair has gone gray?
No, I just
No?
like gray. I find it a great neutral.
Yes.
You know? And so what's nice about the gray is you can, some people might just stay with the gray, they might just put some black on or white, but being such a great neutral, you can pop it with color. And I've got the Gilmore boyfriend jacket in the cardigan in the Moroccan color, and boy, it just pops on this gray. I love this outfit. It's the first time I try this top and bottom from Tonal. It's viscose modal combination blend, and it is so soft. So this is their crew neck pocket top, and then their basic jogger. And I am wearing large, extra large, and I'm about a size 12 bottom and 14 top. So very, very comfy, and you could just do just about anything with this. This basic. If you need a little bit of warmth.
And just a shot of color. I love that mellow yellow with
Yes. So it's great like this, but if I put it on the other side that has most of the mustard,
Wow.
but it changes it up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
So you could do a lot with this gray.
And I hear people are, they're moving their parties outdoors.
Mm-hmm.
They're going to be having fire pits.
Yes.
And gathering around with hot
Yeah.
chocolate. So
This would
what
be
a
even
perfect
on your
thing.
winter coat.
Yeah,
You
just
could
over
just
it.
put this on
Yeah.
and you'd be cozy warm.
So I am in the same outfit that Linda was wearing. So this is the pocket tunic and the basic jogger. And I've paired mine with a bootie. I do find personally I feel better with a little bit of extra height. I'm only 5'3", so a little bit on the shorter side. So I do like to have a little bit of a heel. These are my boots. And I find it kind of helps to elongate my silhouette a little bit, especially when I have a little bit of extra weight on right now. So it makes me feel a little bit better about myself. And I paired it with the Gabby Isabella puffer vest. Now this vest is longer than your average puffer vest, which I think works wonders for the silhouette. Of course, I've paired it with black. Black and gray look so great together.
Now this we featured a few times. I actually did a run on this on a video. It did come with the sweater to match underneath, but I think we've sold out of those. But this makes for a great over cover for like it's a cottage around your home. It's got 2 pockets. If you went outside, you could drape it over your shoulder. It's a lovely little poncho, I guess. I don't know.
Yeah, and I like the cable
Wrap.
knit
I
trim.
would call this a wrap, actually.
Ruana, I think. Yeah, or wrap.
So, and I'm wearing this with the orange boxy top. So this is a great piece. It's hiding all your sins, and it doesn't accentuate anywhere. This is the mustard color, and I think it's very nice with gray. As you know, my hair is naturally gray. There's no highlights in it. That's what you see. It's been like this since I let it go.
Of course, so I'm doing kind of a take on menswear. That is my style tip here, is that you can do menswear kind of head to toe, but add some feminine elements to it. Okay, so I have the jean, and then I'm doing a blouse that I really love. It's a kind of a menswear shirt. Take on that. The little vest, which is adorable. So this is a knit vest. I believe it's on sale at the moment. So now's the time to get it. Add it to all of your blacks, anything gray, of course, all of those colorations together. And this is where I did a little bit of a feminine vibe, is with just some very delicate necklaces in the neckline, some bolder accents on the cuff. If I wanted to continue with my menswear story and add more texture and more blending of tones together, I could go this route. And this is that soft cardigan. I think that you saw Linda in this, in the solid color. This is a more of a fleecy kind of texture. So it's very much a wear now kind of look. I'm
A
getting
big
this.
boyfriend jacket.
Yeah.
2 sizes, and you're in the large, extra large.
I'm in the large, extra large, and here you don't want to be skimpy on. I mean, I could do the small here for a streamlined look, but there's nothing wrong with going, you know, full tilt.
I have a couple accessories, so I just wanted to show you how you can really tie your look together. So this is the white, so I'll just show you front, back. Now, as an inverted triangle, I would not normally wear a lighter or brighter color on top because I don't know if you can tell in the video, I feel that my bottom is kind of, you know, I'm starting to look like an ice cream cone. It's a little bit bigger on the top and really skinny at the bottom, especially with the black shoes and especially if I stand like this. So what I can do is I can sort of balance it out with accessories. So we will start, of course, with a long pendant necklace, which is going to elongate my neckline. Kind of trick the eye. So here we go. Cute little heart necklace here, and it's falling below the bust. What I don't want to do is for it to sit here. So it's below. Yes, Marlene.
Also, big busted women,
Yes.
we have that problem. If
Yes.
you just, a pendant will anchor it down the center.
Absolutely.
Sometimes just a necklace, it goes over one boob.
I know, yeah, if it comes over like that,
Yeah.
we don't want that, right? Yeah, exactly, and there's so many necklaces, Marlene, you and I know, that sit right here, and it's really just not very flattering at all. So this way, it's anchoring, pulling the eye downwards, so I'm already looking a little bit slimmer, a little taller. And then what I'll do is take a scarf that has the colors I'm wearing, so it's of course gonna pull in the gray in the pants, it's gonna pull in the white, the ivory in the sweater, and because it is darker, I'll wear it over my shoulder line, and so it's going to minimize the shoulder, and I've created a long or a dominant center line, and now I look much taller and slimmer.
Okay, so here, take one color, work with tonalities, and make yourself a really nice, rich look. And I mean, it's so on trend at the moment, right, to do tonal, and 'tis the season to add and layer and more layers, and the more layers, the more luxurious, and the more the tones all kind of work together, right? So now you've got yourself a really, really good look. Again, this is the one size piece, fits up to a size 12, 14, and the cowl neck here is the story. Again, richness here. It feels delightful on. Did you want me, yes, what if you wanted to
Because you've got a
sometimes,
nice long neck, so.
well, I'd say it's a medium size. Or, you know, so you doubled it up, and then
Look how nice
fold
that
it,
is, you see?
inner fold it,
Yeah.
you know. So you can really kind of play up this color. Whoop.
Now I'm in the jean, I'm in the charcoal jean from Lisette that Elaine has been wearing, and I think it's pretty fantastic.
Wow.
The leg is not skinny, it's actually a straight leg, so I think it's going to be a little bit more versatile than some of the other jeans we've seen over the years, a little bit trendier. So, you know, it's definitely a little bit more forgiving as well, so forgiving on the thigh, forgiving a little bit on the knees. And I'm just going off Elaine, she was talking about gray tones, and you don't have to match exactly. So as long as they're all within the same family. So really here I have the charcoal jean from Lisette, and this is the cowl neck from Gilmore, the pocket cowl neck in Oyster. So this is really more of a warm tone versus a cool, but I think it goes together because of the accessories. So here we have fraz, we have our, yeah, it's like a grayish, exactly. That's a perfect way to put it. Thank you, Linda. And so we have our fraz plaid poncho or Ruana wrap. And this would go beautifully with denim as well. Blue denim, I think, would be fantastic.
Love this jean, so comfortable. I love that it has that give, that stretch.
And it almost has that washed look,
Yes,
right?
it does.
It's, so it's warm looking, and not in feeling warmth, but
Yeah.
just the feeling of
Yeah.
a
Yeah, it's a
sharp look.
warm charcoal, I would say. Not a deep, deep charcoal.
Are you
I'm
looking?
back down in the Caribbeans, Marlene.
Yeah.
Still trying to get there. Don't know if we'll get there now. But this is a lovely top by Joseph Ribkoff. The color of this turquoise is a lovely, lovely spring tone of just what you want. Spring tone of the warmth. The feature on this, the way it draws all your eyes, I guess, to one side, is a lovely accent. It just brings you in, makes you look like you have a waist, because I'm a rectangle shape, so I don't really have a waist. I'm same on the shoulders as I am in the hips, and more of a tree trunk. That's what a rectangle is, more of a sport body shape. But when you put this this top on and drew the draw to the side, it just brings you in here. And I think it's a lovely accent piece of detail for a beautiful top.
Oh, very nice.
I'm not messing around here.
Yeah.
No. Well, first off, so it's the accessories here that are quite
Yeah, they make the
special.
story.
Okay, and then the scarf.
The scarf plays a major role here.
It does, doesn't it? It's called le diadème, the crown. So it's from Nimi, which I really, really, really love. So here it is unveiled.
Wow.
So it has the crown, it has little bees, and then it has the roses throughout. It is a thing of splendor, and it is made of silk.
Back in the jeans, but I've done something a little different. So I'm a big fan of a boyfriend or a girlfriend jean. So I think I got the look by cuffing up the jeans. So maybe we'll do a reel about this. You'll have to come visit us on Instagram to figure out how, or to find out how I cuffed them up so that they will stay like this. It's a little trick to it. And I've paired it with the cable knit tunic from Gilmore in this beautiful nutmeg color, which of course is perfect for my skin tone and hair color.
Perfection.
This is
yes.
the small medium. And then of course I have it, coming back to my first outfit, I paired it with the Gabby Isabella puffer vest in black. This is the extra large, and I think it just ties in with the boots. It's a very casual look, very casual chic. You could really go anywhere with this, wherever you might be going this holiday season.
And for those of you who wanted to see me tie up this scarf again, I'll do that for you. So you just take your scarf, it can be long, rectangle, you need the length, so however you like to wear your scarves. And all I did was have each end, okay, you make a regular tie, so I've crossed it over, so right over left and under. And then your outer part of the right one is on the left side now and it's draping down. I make my bow, I take my left one, I bring it over my loop of the right, tuck it through, and there's your tie.
Perfect.
Okay, so it's the right over left, you have the left, you make your right bow, you go underneath, you bring it up over top, always will have a perfect bow. This is good information to wrap your Christmas presents with all that ribbon that you have and you don't know how to make a bow for your boxes. That's
And
it.
then you can just adjust those bows by pulling the bottom.
You can
If
have
one-
long
if
bows, you
one-
can
one-
have
one
short
is-
bows, you
yeah,
can have a
two.
little bow on your neck of a small rectangle scarf on your neck to make it, but that's the way you do it, gals. Okay? Thank you.
Good lesson, thank you. All right,
Okay. Did you enjoy our little seminar on gray?
I did.
And we didn't say 50 Shades of Grey, did we?
No, we didn't say
So we're-
that until now, and you had to ruin it all. We almost made it.
We're gonna go